think your retirement savings are fully protected? Without gold and silver, you could be missing a powerful layer of diversification. Many investors focus on stocks, bonds, and cash, but physical gold and silver have a track record of offering stability when the markets are shaky. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that these metals are unique, uncorrelated assets, historically steady even during economic downswings. They are portable, liquid, easy to store, and they give savers greater control over their money. For example, when industrial silver use surpassed mining and recycling, it drove up the value of physical metals. And gold, it's been trusted by generations as a steady store of value, resisting negative influences like dollar devaluation and inflation. This PDF also covers historical performance, like how gold rose more than 1,000% during the 1970s and 1980s inflation, and how silver actually outperformed gold in certain bull markets. This is just one of 8 PDFs in Augusta's free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside resources like Gold and Silver IRA and Company Integrity Checklist, each designed to help you make an informed decision about your retirement strategy. I've linked this one in the description. By understanding why precious metals have been so resilient through centuries of economic change, you will see how adding them to your portfolio could strengthen your savings against uncertainty. You can download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, straightforward, and will give you the clarity you need to decide whether physical gold and silver fit into your retirement plan. You can find the link in the description.